Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at the Samsung HW Q800B soundbar, a 5.1.2 setup, released in 2022 with wireless Dolby Atmos, and a total output power of 360 watts. The Q800B is said to be Samsung's cheapest soundbar from their premium line in 2022. The Q800B is the highest-end soundbar within Samsung's lineup that doesn't include rear speakers. It supports Dolby Atmos content, and it comes with lots of Samsung's premium enhancement features, including the SpaceFit Sound room correction feature. There's also Q-Symphony support. With 5 front and surround channels, 1 subwoofer channel, 2 up-firing channels, and newly added side speakers, you get sound that moves for captivating entertainment. The 2 up-firing drivers built into the bar, which ricochet sound off the ceiling to create the illusion of height. With this soundbar you get a 5.1.2 channel system, with all 5 speakers housed in the main bar. Looking at the soundbar's design, the Q800B's design is truly amazing. All Q-series soundbars for 2022 have the same general shape, but do change in size. The soundbar is made from plastic and metal grills are covering the front, sides, and top of the bar. The soundbar features 43.7 inches in width, 2.4 inches in height, and 4.7 inches in depth, and it weighs 11.2 pounds. Being not that tall, it can be placed in front of your TV, so it doesn't block out your TV screen. Overall, the soundbar has an excellent build quality. The plastic on the bar feels premium and solid, and the metal grills help to protect the drivers inside. Along with the soundbar, you will also get a subwoofer. The subwoofer looks like most Samsung subs on the market. It's mostly made of wood, and on the back it has a plastic plate. The speaker is covered by a round piece of fabric. The subwoofer features 8.3 inches in width, 15.9 inches in height, and 15.9 inches in depth, and it weighs 21.6 pounds. Looking at the soundbar's connectivity options, underneath you get an HDMI ER, a HDMI input, and an optical port. You also get Bluetooth and wireless connectivity. On top of the bar you get 4 buttons. On the left is a multi-function button that will turn on the bar when it is in standby, and change the input when the soundbar is on. On the right side you get a microphone mute button, and in the middle are the volume controls. When it comes to the sound quality, the Q800B synchronizes with all of the speakers from your compatible Samsung TV to create rich, multi-layered audio with Q-Symphony. Sound is automatically optimized to fit their surroundings with SpaceFit Sound. SpaceFit Sound scans your room and changes the sound profile to best suit the space. It also features active voice amplifier that makes sure your voice can be heard over other sounds in the room. In terms of connecting your phone for music, you get the options of Bluetooth, Chromecast, and AirPlay 2. You can also connect the soundbar with Alexa and Google Assistant enabled devices. The remote has the same design as the ones in the Samsung 2022 range. It's simple and elegant, and you have access to a lot of different enhancement tools. The sound offered is sensational. You have the feeling of a cinema at home. The Dolby Atmos effect reproduces well. You actually feel how the sound walks through the room, from one ear to the other, as well as above you. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now, check out my 2 next videos. See you soon.